Hi, this is the first video which I talk so that I will be interactive with you. So please subscribe to my channel and distribute this channel to all people you love. The background, the red light, it is red light and near infrared light which I expose my feet early in the morning before I go out for my walking. Now, the subject is intermittent fasting and its value and its benefit. I have recently finished a book which is called Science of Intermittent Fasting Revolution by the neuroscientist Dr. Mark Mattison. Mark, M-A-R-K, Mattison, M-A-T-T-S-O-N. And he did research 30 years on intermittent fasting and its effect mainly on the brain. He is interested in the brain. But he finds that the benefit is not only on the brain cells, but on every cell in the body. And he recommends intermittent fasting 16 hours or 18 hours, and eating window 6 hours or 8 hours, and you could take even 2 meals. The experiment first were on animal, but then on animals, mice, rat, but then they start doing it on a human being. And they find that the value of intermittent fasting is paramount and it is very great, and especially if it is combined with exercise, because the benefit of the exercise and how the exercise use pathways to make the body healthy is additional to the pathways which the cells are used during intermittent fasting. If we fast 12 hours and we are sedentary without exercise, after 12 hours the liver will use its glucose, which is stored as a glycogen, and there is metabolic switch which the liver send to the fat cell to burn fat and produce ketone, and to fat cell which burn the triglyceride and make it into short fatty acid. This go to the liver and the liver make the ketones, not the fat cells, and also to every cell in the body to become resilient and resistant to the stress, which is fasting. And this is called hormesis. The body is adapting to the stress through millennia and through generations when the food was scarce. And the good thing which will happen in the cell is autophagy, meaning the cell will eat the protein which are damaged, recycle it and use it into a new product, healthy product. Also, the mitochondria will be stimulated, the old mitochondria will die, and the new healthy mitochondria will be produced, and it is called mitophagy. Mitochondria, phagy mean eating. The young mitochondria will start to divide and produce more mitochondria, and this is called mitochondrial biogenesis. Genesis means production. So this will happen in every cell of the body, especially the brain. The brain and in the hippocampus, which is the area where the memory and learning is there, and cognition is very important for human body, and the brain is very important. So also during intermittent fasting there will be a protein produced by the brain cell which is called BDNF. B from brain, D derived, BDN, neurotrophic factor. This is very, very important, and it is very good. It works on the mitochondria and produce autophagy, mitophagy, biogenesis, which means producing more mitochondria. It will affect the heart, the cardiovascular system. Also, it will work on leptin hormone, which is a protein produced by fat cells, and go in the blood to the hypothalamus and tell the brain we are full. But the duration of leptin is only 2 minutes. So it will it will reduce the appetite and the craving for food. So intermittent fasting is very useful for losing weight and maintenance of ideal body weight. But intermittent fasting during the experiment with healthy food, exercises, and even with junk food, intermittent fasting on its own, it will change the good biological marker. So intermittent fasting is very useful tool to prevent neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer and dementia, and also it will slow the diseases or stop them. It is also useful to prevent stroke and cardiac or myocardial infarction, and those people who are affected by these strokes or myocardial infarction, they will get better and benefit. This is some of the values of intermittent fasting. And also they asked me what to break the fast. We could take water, black tea, black coffee, green tea, but we shouldn't take milk or sugar or any calories or sugar, because this will give signal to the brain and to the liver that the food is coming. I hope you will get benefit from intermittent fasting and train yourself to do it. And it takes about 1 month to learn and to get rid of hunger, irritability, and difficulties. But then the body will reset its hunger points, and you don't feel hungry and you feel happy and you will have a lot of energy. I wish you good health and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.